continuation of my previous live, after his treatment for the back, needle and acupuncture and massage, he will go for facial. Oh, see? It's a good treatment for you guys. So here, I'll show you how to do. Most of his problem is the eye bags. So these are the equipment for eye bags. Okay, watch with me. Because it's an RF radiation, so I have to put the gel. That's why that's my secret not to have an eye bags. This the ultrasonic face and the ultrasonic eyes is very good for the eye bags. See? This patient Andy's been with me for a long time. 2016, right, Andy?
Oh.
Yeah. He's my guinea pig, my all over. Whenever I have new things to do, I thought, Andy, I have this thing. So I will test on you. So now, for a treat, I'm giving him a gorgeous face. So that's what I said. It's radiation, ultrasonic radio frequency. So we have to put the gel to avoid burning of the skin. So come with me. I'll make your face tighten, rejuvenation, removing dead skin. There. And now I will use the Bio. Bio is very good. This is something like electric thing to rejuvenate the skin, to open the collagen, to make your skin tighter. We'll try. You will feel electricity a little bit. Can you handle this? Yeah. Because sometimes it's so painful, something like electricity tingling. So it's very good to remove lines. You know, as we grow older, that's our enemy, the lines on the face. That's what I said, the massage always going up, right? When you massage your face, stroking is upward. And then the chin going down. Upward. And so the forehead upward as well. And the eyes in the side. But I will not put in the eyes because this one is electricity feeling. But it's very good to rejuvenate the skin. There. And I will use also radio frequency. Radio frequency is somehow sensitive to the eyes. So I let him use glosses. There. It's like Stevie Wonder. We are the world, right? So we have this radio frequency. I'll make 5 level and start. You won't feel anything with RF. It's just do the same thing, activating the collagen, and it's very good fast release of collagen and tightening of the skin. That's what I said. Always massage going up, right? There. Oh, I have to include the neck. You know, sometimes, all the time, as we grow older, the neck is also a part of our problem. If you see lines in the neck, it says, oh, you're old. So therefore, we have to remove lines in the neck. RF is very good as well for this. And also this to release the chin area with the fat area there. RF is very good for tightening the skin. So who those who wanted to look glowy, come with me. Come to have a book an appointment with me. 780-885-8349. I'm in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta. There. My 14-in-1 is affordable. It's a whole package, and contact me or message me here in Facebook. I can give you a very good price. My machine is 14-in-1. Can you see that? It's all 14 prongs in there. There. And then I will remove the glasses. And we'll do more on the eyes and the face. The ultrasonic thing is also good for the eyes. Especially the eyelid. You have to, if you don't have the thing, I show you already how to scrape or massage using gua sha on the eyelid, because as we grow older, the eyelid is drooping and then it doesn't look good. So when you put eyeshadow or things to glow your eyes, it doesn't look good anymore. So here, I'm giving this treatment to Andy to have a young looking face. He's available if you want some to have a date with him. He's not for sale. So here, I'll be using the ultrasonic face. These are very good also to tighten the skin. Okay. See, with all this equipment, of course, your skin will be tightened because I have ultrasonic prongs that we use on your face. Within an hour or so, you can see even the glow, the tightness. And I have, to those who wanted to be white, Filipinos out there, I don't do drip, but I do whitening of the skin as well with the serum. Okay, then this is a very good ultrasonic for the face. And also later, I'll have my live video again, discussion about the chi, the yin and the yang. So if you wanted to learn more about it, 6 p.m. tonight, Alberta time, it's I think it's 8 a.m. tomorrow in Philippines. So Tuesday already there since it's Monday here. So I will discuss about the yin and the yang. So to those who don't know them yet and understand how TCM works. See? You know, when I'm doing this, even some of my patients, oh my gosh, they're snoring. They love it. You won't feel anything with ultrasonic, something like there's a buzzing sound. Right, Andy? You can see, yeah. The only thing that I think the bio frequency is the one a little bit sensitive, but this one is nothing. But the upper layer of the skin will go up, and that's why it will make your skin tighter. There you go. And this is the ultrasonic for the eyes. Yeah, this is very good for the eyelids. Are you okay, Andy? Yeah. I should have taken a picture before and after, but well, most of the time Andy is my model, so maybe I'll take a picture after and then I'll show it to my reel. And also the nasolabial fold. Sometimes if you already have that fold, it shows already that, oh, you're aging. You know, if you have eye bags, it's a sign of kidney deficiency. There's a blockage that the flow of the fluid going out into your system, the lymphatic drainage towards the kidney is blocked. That is why it's shown on the eyes. But somehow, if you keep on massaging it, not only one time, 15 times morning and night, or maybe for me, I'm so obsessed. I usually do it 5 minutes, even on a traffic light. I'm scraping my eyes. That's how kuko I am. There. Actually, this is for the eyes, but I usually do it with the lines. Especially the profit. And the high frequency. This is very good for pimples and also for tightening the skin as well. And stay tuned after this. I'll show you how to massage the face. And we have to remove the gel. And then you can give a facial massage. So bonus to you guys, if you're watching this, this is the one you should do to your face every day. Okay? You have to remove the gel. And then... and this bonus time today because I made a video, so I have to massage his face. There you go. And where is my oil? And I'm using the unscented Ayurveda oil. Okay, so to massage the face, spread it into your... this is what you have to do. If you have using gua sha, it's good too, but if nothing, going up, right? You start with your forehead, going up. If you have the gua sha, where's my gua sha? Oh, here. Me, I'm using this one. If you don't have the stone, if you have the, what you call that, if you're far in the mountain and you have nothing, use spoon. So spoon is silver and it's positive, and then consider your face as negative. So contraction, opposite, it contracts, right? So it means it contracts towards your skin, so it will be more glowing. So I'm showing you, if you have nothing, just your hand and your forehead, like this. But if you have the stone or gua sha, scrape it upward. Actually, it says 10 stroking, but for me, when I started it, I've been using it 50 times. I wanted to have a tighter skin. I don't know. Since I became an esthetician, I wanted to have a clear skin, tighter skin, because I'm advertising for a beautiness, right? So it should be shown to me. So eyelid, stretch it, and then scrape on the side. But if you have nothing, straight with your one hand and then straight on the side. Just like this. But it's more better with stone because it's a little bit firmness. There. Do it 10, oh my gosh, me 10, 20 times, 50 times sometimes, oh my gosh. And this is the thing, the eye bags. So stretch in the side and then scrape a little bit. Be gentle because doing more pressure, you might damage the capillary, the small nerves, and you're gonna bruising. So a little bit gentleness. It's more safer with hands, but a little bit of pressure. But for me, I'm using my gua sha stone, my gua sha silver thing. There. Pull with the eyes, and then you do like this. Same thing. And then for the face, from the nasal labia fold, you have to stretch like this. You can do one side at a time. I told you everything should going up. The same side. The stroking, 1 to 2 minutes or more. Because you're going to circulation on your face. And then the chin down, going up. Everything going up. And from the tip of the forehead, because you already put all the toxin in there, right? You have to drain all the toxin because you're pulling up. It means you're stretching all your face. And then from all the way up here, from your forehead, you push it down. Because this is already the toxin that you gathered from there. You remove all the toxin from your face. So from on top of your forehead, you have to drain it down from your neck. This is the lymphatic drainage. And then from the neck, you pull it down towards your armpit. Because the drainage of the lymphatic is in the armpit, and the groin, and the neck. So you have to drain it towards the armpit so that it would gonna go out for sweating. So, up, side on the eyes, up on the face, down on the chin, from forehead down all the way the ears, down towards your neck. So the platysma muscles are going to help you out if you drain like this. It's a very good thing, oh my gosh. If somebody were going to give you a face massage, that would be very, very good. So come to me. I can give you an hour of facial massage, but pay me accordingly. There you go. And then, okay, I will remove my gloves and replace the other one. And now I will go finalize with the, I'll finalize with serum. My magic serum is, I am using a ginseng serum. This is the best serum I ever used. I've been using this since 2019. That's why when I become an esthetician, this is the serum I trusted. So, ginseng serum is very good. Glowing face. It's included with niacinamide. Also glycolic in here. It's everything. And then the latest one, the most active one, is the PDRN. PDRN is also good for the glowing skin. PDRN salmon, it's from the fish salmon. That's what I've been using. And I also have the glutathione serum. That's why it's more whiter. But some Canadians don't want to be white. So I'm not using this. It depends what they need. If they wanted to retain their skin color, I don't use glutathione. And what else? And I have lots of vitamin C with niacinamide, glycolic as well. So it's a very good thing. It's just so bad that most of my patients don't want them to be posted. But I have latest one that they wanted. It's okay with them. Because it's their right if they want to be posted. But how I wish all of them. I only started January for my facial. And I have lots of people that come to me and trusted me. They're coming and booking most of the time. So, here I'll do finalize with him. I'll do vitamin C. Vitamin C, you always have a vitamin C in your face because it has an anti-inflammatory. It also gives glow to your skin. And also, View my ginger shot. That is very, very good. It's rich in vitamin C and then tighten the skin. And the debris of that, you have to scrub it on your face. That's my top secret. I've been doing only this for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It works good in my skin. And I will give Andy the PDRN as well. These are very good to stretching the skin, making glow. There you go. And the last, my magic serum here, the ginseng serum. My sister loved it. Hello to my sister in Philippines, Tita Neneng. And my sister in Australia, Tita Tess. And my brother, Ramajan. There you go. And advance birthday greetings to my BFF, Miss Resi. Okay, I'll greet you again later. There you go. Make it dry. And then, the advantage of my patient, I gave them a fan. There you go. Make it dry before they leave my client. So here it is. Even it's cold here, I feel warm. There. It's really good. Come to me for an appointment and you will see how glowy your skin, right? So there you are. I gave Andy a quick, not so definite treatment, but if you come to me, I will give you the full package treatment. So PM me or message me. Text me 780-885-8349. There. So 780-885-8349. I'm in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta. So till then, next. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. I will have live later, 6 p.m. Okay? Watch me.